Springfield wakes to sirens, donuts, and a new dare echoing through Krustyland air this morning. Bart stalks the town, eyeing posters for rival pranksters' secret society hidden beneath the fountain. Lisa observes, noting empathy as a weapon stronger than booby traps and stink bombs combined. Marge hosts a family breakfast, sensing tension, while Homer negotiates status with Principal Skinner today. Bart bursts with secret plans, announcing he joins rival prankster club, the Midnight Pranksters tonight. Chief Wiggum buses the town to patrol, comedic booms marking friendly sabotage training at dawn. Homer jokes about donuts negotiating with the mayor, promising sponsorship for resilience and laughter today. Bart meets rival leader Svetlana, a scheming prankster with glittery gadgets and sly grin gleaming. Lisa intervenes gently, inviting Svetlana to discuss empathy, not explosions, in front of students today. Springfield Elementary hosts a community fair, featuring booths about kindness, recycling, and listening to everyone. Bart infiltrates the Midnight Pranksters' lair beneath Moe's, calibrating chaotic gadgetry while Lenny nods approvingly. Lisa profiles emotions, guiding classmates to build empathy booths, echoing Krusty's old charity stunts memories. Homer accidentally hosts a chili sauce contest at the Kwik-E-Mart, causing fireworks and glowing registers everywhere. Marge organizes neighborhood volunteers, painting murals about listening, sharing, and heads turning toward kindness today. Principal Skinner stages a prerequisite duel, old pranks versus new empathy-driven pranks for the school. Bart's crew sabotages a parade float, then reels back, fearing Lisa's compassionate counterattack this time. Lisa counters, offering restorative circles, apology cards, and a prank-free zone in downtown Park Square. Homer returns as cheerleader, declaring donuts fund scholarships for empathy workshops, to everyone's groans collectively. Bart and Svetlana stage synchronized pranks, turning rival schemes into comical teachable moments before crowds. Lisa lands a quiet victory, earning respect from rivals, teachers, even Chief Wiggum's reluctant nod. A sudden power outage plunges festival lighting, triggering chaos and a spiraling montage of pratfalls. Bart improvises a blackout prank using streetlights, but Lisa reframes it as a community moment. Homer accidentally trains a crowd in belly flop safety, turning disaster into slapstick rescue for everybody. Marge negotiates cooling-off zones, Skinner enforces consequences with dignity, balancing humor and discipline for students. Springfield Square gathers, families hug, and the rival club pledges scholarships to empathy programs citywide. The burrito booth becomes Peace Summit, Lisa hosting empathy panels while Bart unveils collaborative prank. A chorus of townspeople chant, "Do kindness," and "I caramba," echoes celebrate unity this night. Bart confesses fears about belonging, Lisa counsels using a familiar reconciliation from past mishaps shared. The family reconciles, Homer cooks celebratory donuts shaped as hearts, audience in stitches and cheers. Curtain falls across Springfield, main plot soothed, Lisa's empathy winning, Bart's friendship restored for everyone.